In number 5 on tonight's homework, remember that for 5 through 10, you have to set up 2 different cases. We don't set up 2 different cases until this absolute value part is completely isolated. So first we would get rid of the 2x by adding it to both sides. Then we can divide by 3 to every single term. Now that we have the absolute value completely isolated, we're going to set up our 2 cases. So our first case, I'm going to do right here, case 1, we will do the positive case, where 2x plus 2 equals our positive x plus 1, and we'll do case 2 right here. We'll do the negative case, where 2x plus 2 equals negative x minus 1. We distribute that negative through on the right side. Remember, it's not this part right here that you're changing the sign for. The 2x plus 2 stays the same in each case. It's this right here. In this case, we would have positive x positive 1. And then in case 2, we want to make sure we distribute a negative straight through, and that's where this comes from. Once we're here, we just go ahead and solve. Subtract 2 from both sides. Subtract x from both sides, and here x is negative 1. Subtract 2 again from both sides. This time add the x to both sides. We're trying to get x alone. And divide by 3. It looks like we're still going to get x equals negative 1. So when we go to check, all we have to substitute in is the negative 1. Remember, when you go to check, you're checking with the original problem, and you're just filling in negative 1 for every single time you see an x. On the right side of the equation, we would have 2. And then when we go to simplify here, we would have negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So we would have 3 times 0. Right here, plus 2. 3 times 0 is going to be 0. 2 equals 2. So it looks like we can accept that x is negative 1.